Hey YouTube, my name is Hus, and today I'm gonna be playing the neighborhood of Roblox, and I have two people with me. Two people with me today. So let's get this started right now. Where are you people?
Hello guys, I'm also a YouTuber.
Yeah. I must walk.
Is this my intro or outro? It's my intro or outro.
Let's get this going.
It's nothing.
Ah! What are you doing? I died.
I'm gonna make that code look like Yes, this is my intro. It's not even.
Yeah.
I've done that twice today. Roommates.
Please subscribe my channel and give a like, and please smash the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smash it right now.
The door is unlocked. Why is the door unlocked?
Someone broke in our house. Ah! I have a gun with me. Hold on. Let me get the gun. Who broke in? I'm coming. Check out the bedrooms, guys. Just make sure no one broke into our house. I'm upstairs, guys. Does this even open? Here I am. Guys, YouTube. This is the first time that I'm making a video in this game. The neighborhood of Roblox. Please give a shout out to this guy who is dancing right now. I'll dance too. And it's not working. Oh, right. Right, let me dance. Wait, how to dance?
Oh, wait.
Guys, I have to go now. I have to go eat breakfast. I'll be back soon. Bye.